Welcome to Colorado State University. Here at CSU, we do our very best to help every student be healthy and successful. As an enrolled student, you have full access to a wide range of medical, counseling, and health education and prevention services provided by CSU Health Network. Our medical services include primary care, immunizations, women's care, transgender care, psychiatry, optometry, dental, physical therapy, and more. We even have an on-campus pharmacy where you can get prescriptions and over-the-counter medications and supplies. At CSU, we know your mental health is just as important as your physical health. You can access a wide range of mental health support resources, including therapy groups, skill-building workshops, individual and partner counseling, online programs and resources, drugs and alcohol programs, medication management, recovery support, and more. We at CSU Health Network are deeply committed to creating a welcoming, supportive space in which all students can be fully seen and valued entirely. For those whose experiences of marginalization and oppression add extra layers to your distress, you and all your identities are welcome here. Please reach out. We are here to support you. To learn more about all of the available health and well-being resources and how to access them, visit our website, health.colostate.edu. As part of our efforts to keep you and our campus healthy and safe, all new students must complete several health requirements. Step 1, submit your immunization records. Step 2, complete important health forms. Step 3, fulfill the health insurance requirement. Step 4, consider Ramcare supplement program. Step 5, complete online modules. And Step 6, create your U at CSU profile. For detailed information about how to complete each new graduate student task, visit health.colostate.edu/graduate new student checklist, or pause the video and scan the QR code on the screen with your smartphone camera. Let's take a closer look at these requirements, starting with immunizations. Your immunization records are medical documents showing all of the vaccinations you have received. Colorado law requires all students to have 2 doses of the measles, mumps, and rubella shots, also called the MMR vaccines. Colorado law also requires students living on campus in a residence hall to submit proof of the meningococcal ACWY vaccine, also known as the meningitis vaccine, given within the last 5 years. You must upload a scanned copy or picture of your official immunization records in the online CSU Student Health Portal. The portal is your online connection to your personal electronic health record. The deadline to submit your official MMR and meningococcal immunization records is the first day of classes. If you don't meet the deadline, a hold will be placed on your student account for next semester's registration until you submit your records. In addition, CSU will require COVID-19 vaccines for all students, faculty, and staff for fall 2021, conditioned upon full approval of 1 or more vaccines by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. You can submit your COVID-19 vaccine record at the same time as you submit your other vaccine records. Detailed instructions on how to upload your immunization records can be found online at health.colostate.edu/graduate new student checklist. Next, you need to complete important health forms. The first form is the tuberculosis assessment. This form contains a series of questions about your possible exposure to tuberculosis. Next is the health history form that helps your doctors and other medical providers better understand your health concerns and conditions. Both the tuberculosis assessment and the health history form need to be completed online in the CSU Student Health Portal. The information you submit in these forms remains private. Your healthcare providers will not share this information with others. The deadline to complete these important health forms is the same deadline as your immunization records, the first day of classes. For more information about these forms and how to complete them, visit health.colostate.edu/graduate new student checklist. Step 3 is to fulfill the health insurance requirement. To help protect your educational investment, all domestic students taking 6 or more resident instruction credits and all international students must carry active health insurance that meets CSU, state, and federal requirements. If you are a domestic graduate student enrolled in 6 or more resident instruction credits, you can meet this requirement in one of 2 ways. By enrolling in the CSU-sponsored Student Health Insurance Plan, also known as SHIP, or by opting out of CSU's plan by providing proof of a comparable private health insurance plan. Note that both options for completing this requirement must be done online. The deadline to complete the health insurance requirement is the same day as the university add drop date, midway through the 3rd week of classes. Make sure you take action online to complete this requirement. If you do not take action by the deadline, your student account will be charged for the cost of enrollment in the student health insurance plan. We cannot issue refunds or reversals after the deadline. International graduate students, please take note. International students are automatically enrolled in the CSU Student Health Insurance Plan. International students do not need to take action to meet the health insurance requirement. Remember, all students have full access to services regardless of your health insurance plan. CSU Health Network has contracts with most major insurance carriers, which means we can file claims with your insurance company for the medical services you receive. Detailed information about how to complete the health insurance requirement can be found online at health.colostate.edu/graduate new student checklist. To learn more about how health insurance works at CSU Health Network, visit health.colostate.edu/health insurance. The next step is to consider the Ramcare supplement program. Ramcare is a supplement to your private health insurance that can help cover your out-of-pocket costs, such as copays, coinsurance, and deductible costs for medical services provided by CSU Health Network. To learn more about Ramcare, including benefits, costs, and enrollment dates, visit health.colostate.edu/Ramcare. Next, you must complete online modules. Incoming graduate students must complete one required module, Sexual Assault Prevention. This online module helps all students start at CSU with information about safety, making responsible choices, and taking care of your fellow students. In addition, there is one recommended online module, Achieve Financial Wellness. This program will boost your financial know-how and help you learn to manage your money in college and beyond. You can access the online modules through your RAM web account about 30 days before classes start. Watch for an email to your CSU email address alerting you that they are available. The deadline to complete the Sexual Assault Prevention online module is the first day of classes. If you don't meet the deadline, a hold will be placed on your student account for next semester's registration. The last step is to create your U at CSU profile. U at CSU is an online student success portal that connects you to online and on-campus resources that help you make the most of your college experience. U at CSU is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The information you enter and your activity on the site remains confidential. The more honest you are, the more helpful this resource will be to you. You can access U at CSU through your RAM web account or at u.colostate.edu. Once you complete these requirements and recommendations, you're all set and ready to start your journey as a CSU RAM. For more information about establishing care with a CSU provider, transferring your prescription to the on-campus pharmacy, and other new student frequently asked questions, visit health.colostate.edu/new student checklist and scroll to the final section titled Helpful Information for New Students. Remember, CSU Health Network is your home for healthcare at CSU. You have full access to all of the medical, counseling, and health education and prevention services offered by CSU Health Network. There are doctors, nurses, and other providers to care for you when you are sick. There are counselors and therapists to help you when you are sad, stressed, or troubled. We are so glad to have you here at CSU. Never hesitate to call or visit us. We are here to help and support you. To learn more about CSU Health Network, visit us online at health.colostate.edu or call us at 970-491-7121. Go Rams!